Alright, welcome back to the channel. So finally it's happening. Game 6. So to race to 4. So currently, kami ni Mikey, si Doy at saka si Andrew. Currently the series is tied at 2.5 because nag-tie kami nung last round namin sa Riviera. So we're finally doing game 6. This is a very pivotal game kasi yan, race to 4. So good luck, brother. So i-round off na lang natin. Lamang kayo 9 points. 9 points kayo sa Oli. Good luck, good luck. Tapos ano tayo? Sorry. Anong gagawin natin? Yung dati pa rin ang ginawa natin. High, low, if 1 point each pa rin? Or whoever wins high, whoever wins low, 1. Kayo. Yun tama na pala. Yun tama. Kasi wala nang 2 points. Laging 1 lang every hole. Okay. Okay, we're starting game 6. Ay, good luck pala, partner. So, we're giving Mikey pala up. Hindi na siya magwa-white tee ngayon. Yung plus na lang niya, yung strokes niya. So, he's getting 5. He's getting 5 strokes. Ganda ng tiro ni Doy.
Ang ganda. Hindi, ikaw muna. Gusto mo? Okay.
Ganda.
Nice shot!
Okay, good luck, good luck. Good luck, brother. Game 6. Good luck. Hindi, yung mamimili ka doon sa dalawa. Good luck, good luck. Alright, so as of now, for our Olympics, but it's not going to be confusing. Alam ko nasa 77 points and 77 points and 69 yata kami. Ay, hindi, sorry. 77 and 68. Parang ganyan. Basta they're leading by 9 points. So to make it less confusing, gagawin na lang namin 9-0. So gagawin natin yung Olympics pa rin, which is 50 pesos. So thank you very much for watching. So if you also want to know what happened, diba kasi nga, we're currently, the series is tied 2.5. So check the links down below. I will post games 1 to 5 there sa yung link of those games para you know what happened. Daming clutch moments for both teams, hole outs. So again, thank you very much for watching. See you at the fairways. Nice shot. Okay, Andrew, buti na dikit na si ano. Or patong na si ano. Okay, maglaban sa low, ano, Mikey. Okay, for my third shot, I'm left with 70. Buti lang nasa GUR. Left with 73 yards. Ano to, Noel? Kaliwa, kanan?
Kaliwa na.
Kaliwa. Okay, si Doy. Mga 80 yards. Just right behind me. Gaganda lang mga palo ah. Okay, sobra lang si Doy. Olympian.
Okay, na-behind.
Sabi ko na, tigas.
Ay,
Ay nako, nangyari din yan yes. Last round. Too dry. Mali. Mali. Okay lang. To go up and down for par. Left to right.
Go!
Baka 1 point sana. That might be for par. Hindi, oh yeah, that's for par pala, hindi might be for par. Ganun nga yung mangyari. Nangyari na rin yun kahapon eh.
Bakit?
Okay, 2 points pa ako. Wag lang 5 points! Okay, 2 points ako. So 10 na kayo. That's good. Par. Mikey, potentially for 5 points. For birdie. Parehas kaming must make. Inside, baby! Par. Okay. Dito to win 1 up kayo, Drew. Nako. This. Okay, Andrew. For 4 points to. 3 plus 1. For birdie. And also to go 1 up sa match.
yes.
Agang 3-1. 3 points. So 4 points. Okay, kailangan ko lang to sa points.
Sa per.
Hole number 2. 13. Tapos they're currently 1 up. Good shot, Doy. So yung mga dito may plus si Mikey. So hole number 2. Ate pera mo pakita. Ako pa ate pera mo. So may handicap, may plus si Mikey sa 1, sa 2, sa 6, sa 9. Sa 14 at saka sa 18. Two, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. 14, 18. Nice shot, Mikey. Nice shot.
Wow, yun, diretso. Yun. Grabe.
Drew, unfortunately, will have to punch. Nasa kabilang fairway. I think he pulled his tee shot. Pero magaling talaga mag-punch out yan. Yan. He will be left around 160 for his third shot. And Doy and Mikey. Mikey gets a pop here. Points na kami tambak. Sa Olympics. And it's 50 pesos per point. Doy. Malayo pa ito. 200 plus pa. Swimming. Gravity talaga si Drew. Done with his third shot. That is for his par. Tapos left below the hole pa. So easy uphill putt for par. Diyan Manila. Angat mo! Yan, okay. 50. Okay, left with 120 yards. I need to clutch up. Dikit na si Drew.
Down.
Okay. Two putt to tie with Andrew. Okay, at least patong. Okay, Doy. This is his 1, 2, 3, 4 to go up and down for bogey. Bunker! Okay. Okay. Wag lang Olympian. Okay, Mikey. This is his 4th shot to go up and down for bogey, pero may plus siya dito. Okay, Mikey. This is his 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th shot. To go up and down for bogey na. Tama na. Huwag ka mag-bunker. Stop. Bite. Ayan, okay lang. At least, basta i-Olympics mo na lang, Mikey. Okay lang yan. Olympics na lang, Olympics. Okay, for Olympics, most likely si Doy is for 4 points already. Ako 3 plus 1. Tapos si Mikey either 2 or 1 na lang. Or 5. Sana 5. Points nga! Yes, 5 points. Okay, 5 points. Nice one, Mikey. Double bogey siya, net double. Pero 5 points. Nice one, at least. Malaking bagay yun. Okay, so I need to make this putt para mag all square kami, plus 9 points. Okay na yan. Kita ka na.
Kulang siya.
Kaliwa nga, tama ka? Hindi, kuha mo kasi.
Ganun ba yun? Sa low?
Kuha nyo yung low kasi nag-park ka pa. So starting hole number 3, 180 yards.
Wow!
Ganda.
Come on, big drive. Nice!
Ganda naman ng sipa! Huy! Subobra bunker. Oo nga, 7.
This squared.
Wag! Wag! Huwag mo yung OB! Yun, safe. Okay. No.
Uy! Ala, yun ang nag-OB.
Kick right. Kick right.
Huwag kang mag-bunker. Huwag kang umabot. Huwag kang umabot. Okay, right before. Sa hole number 2, we are not currently 2 down. Pero baka after this hole, 2 down na kami. So, sa hole number 2 pala, Mikey made double net because of the plus. Tapos si Doy pala made 7. So, we were able to get yung high, they made low. Naku, yan na naman Olympics pa si Drew. He was in the bunker. Dikit for par pa to and 1 point. Okay, left with 45 yards. Left right to Noel. Diretso na. Okay, kahit mga 30 lang ano.
Go. Kumanan pa nga oh.
Okay, that is for my double bogey. Tama no? Double bogey na tayo no? Okay, so for Olympics, si Doy ang ano no? 4?
Si Doy yan.
Okay, si Doy is putting for 4 points. Si Drew is putting for 3 plus 1. Ako putting for... Ah, hindi. Si Mikey pala for 2. Ako 1 point. Okay, so Doy is double bogey. This is for par and 4 points. Mikey, mas make. Lagi naman tayo mas make eh. Para at least hindi tayo mag 2 down. Kasi for bogey si Drew, ikaw rin for bogey. Uy. Okay, I have this spot to tie Doy. And for 1 point. To contribute naman, wala pa ako nako-contribute ah. Puro bola lang na-contribute ko. Tas this spot is to go 2 up. Good putt. 2 up. Ayan. So, we are now 2 down. Hole number 4. Pero at least naka-Olympic points tayo. 15-6. 9 na lang. Ganda, Doy. Okay. Nice shot, Drew. Fade. Okay, lumusot. Okay, lahat ng puno dinaan ni Mikey. Wala. Sa ispa.
Nice shot. Grabe, layo. Parang teka, hindi ko pa sinastop, di pa naglaland.
Naku, wag sana mas timey doon.
Parang drive.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Raimundo. Sakto! Ay, hindi lang gumulong. Bihira yun ah. Okay, this is Mikey's third shot. Ganda, Mikey. Big bounce mo. Big bounce. Daan, pasok.
Stop.
Good shot, Mikey! Okay na yun, wala talaga, hindi mo mapipigil yan eh. Ako naman left with 60 yards. Wala rin talaga, dito lang. Can't hit over the tree. Okay, dito.
Kick left.
Nabuwala naman.
Ang siya, look up.
Ang hirap pa tuloy ng third shot. Nagchuchoke ako. Choker si Malyari. As early as now, choker na. Okay, bahala na. Okay, 30 yards. No way of stopping it. Pero I'll try to maybe flop it. Bahala na.
Naiwan. Go. Stop.
Double bogey.
Lang.
Okay, Doy, potentially for 5 points. Okay, Mikey for 4 points. And ano ba siya? 4 points and par. Salamat. 4 points mo na! Pasok mo na! Okay, bogey. Okay, si Drew for 3 points plus 1.
Nice, do it!
Oh, kuha. So 4. Kuha nyo na. 3 up na kayo. Ay lang ka ba? Pating ano ka? Par. Ako pating bogey na ako.
Uy. Kulang.
Mahina. Doy bogey. Okay, hole number 5. Galing talaga. Ano na kami? 3 down.
Yes.
Kaliwa lang.
Nice shot, brother.
For birdie na naman si Mr. Cortez.
Nice shot, boy.
Yan, keep drawing.
Nice shot.
Patong. Good shot, brother.
Oh, wow.
Ganda, Mikey. Bigay mo na.
Kick left, no?
Oh, okay, okay. At least patong. Parang dapat yata ako yung may plus, hindi si Mikey.
Wow! Ay, diretso, grabe.
Babait naman.
Nice shot.
Okay, galing. Everyone is spotting for birdie. So this is where I try to redeem myself. I'm currently 6 over already. Sama nang nilalaro ko. Pero bad breaks lang naman din. So for Olympics, si Doy spotting for 4 points plus 1. Everyone may plus. Ako 3. Si Drew 2. Si Mikey 1. That's good, that's good.
Uy, kabig.
Drew 2 plus 1. Oh, muntik pa kami. Muntik na tayo mag 4 down. Good try, Drew. Mahina din. Okay lang. Hati lahat. Okay, walang may points and walang naka-birdie. So everyone made par. So no movement. Si Mikey gets a pop here sa hole number 6. May plus sa Mikey dito ha.
Nice, Doy. Okay, baba. Nice shot.
Kanan lang ng konting-konti lang pero ang ganda rin. Ayun, sumipa pa kanan.
Kick right ang pangit.
Sabi ko right, feeling ko right inside. Dilagay ko sa right. Kaya ako maliwa.
Kick right. Port!
Wow!
Nice shot.
Shortcut mo.
Wow.
Ayun, lumusot.
Okay, Drew. Second shot around 100 yards. 90 yards to the flag. Si Doy already took his shot. Second shot safe naman. Right of the green. Hala, delikado. Shoot. Okay, Mikey. Around 60 yards to the flag. Naku, go mo please. Okay lang. Patong. At least Olympics. Okay, have this shot 50 yards to the flag, left to right. Sa letrang S, di ba? 35. Stop. Drew. Naku. I had to take a drop. Okay, Doy. Drew. Thank you. Doy. To go up and down for par. Huwag mo lang i-shoot. Okay, malayo. Mikey again for 5 points.
Hindi na, walang movement ng Olympics.
Wala. Yung dalawang sa par par 3.
Pick up tayo sa tapos 15-6 sa Olympics.
Muli mo, Mikey, kung gusto mo. Meron pa tayong muli. Mikey putting for par and 5 points. Pero net birdie to. Mas kaliwa pa. Ay, okay lang. Mas madali. Okay lang na. Good putt, Mikey. 4 shot. Okay, Andrew for bogey and... So for bogey and 4 points. 4 points na. 19 ba? Oh, 19. 19 kami 6. One under lang kami. Hindi, ano kami? Pero yung second shot namin, hindi pumato. Suko namin, 2 up na lang, 2 down. Pero sa Olympics, 19-6. Grabe. Okay, hole number 7. Grabe, tinatambakan na kami sa Olympics. Pero at least nabawasan na, 2 down na lang kami. I was able to win yung low. Tapos nag-tie si Mikey at si Doy because of the plus. Uy, the hook. 4 for left! You stance din eh. Ball above your feet. Stop turning. Huwag ka na mag-stymie. 3 under, brother.
Nice shot. Di yan. Lusot yan.
Okay. Medyo masama ang gising. Okay lang. Mga 30 yards. Doy! 4 sa inyo.
Stop. Okay.
Okay. Third shot. 117 yards. Hitting a 56-degree wedge. Better short than long dito.
Bye. Kanan, no?
Okay, Doy. Second shot. 115 yards. Ganda yan. Kick out! Okay, Mikey. Around 30 yards. Go up and down for his par. Ay, tama ba? Oo yata. Bite! Please, bite! Tama na. Or, okay na. Everyone on the green already. So for Olympics, 4 points ako. Si Doy 3. Si Mikey 2. Si Drew 1+1. Uy, lakas mo sobra. Hindi ganun kabagal. No? Nakita mo yung speed nung akin, ano? Okay, Mikey for 2 points and par. Kuha. Wala, hindi mo mahali. Drew to go 3 up. $21. Tas 3 up na. Come on, what are we made of? Hole number 8. We are currently 3 down. So meron na ulit Mercy Mulligan. Tapos sa Olympics, we are down big. 21-6. Ganda. Go. Parang magbabang. Yan ka na naman eh. Tapos +1 na naman yan eh. Par +1 na naman. At saka over the trees yun eh.
Oo.
Kaliwa. Nice layup. Grabe naman yung alalay nun, Mikey. No, wait lang.
Kaliwa.
Okay, Mikey. Around 60 yards to go up and down for his par. bite. Okay lang, muli mo na Mikey, bunker. Muli. Okay, we are taking our mulligan. Sumobra yung first shot ni Mikey. Ayan si Doy went over. Okay. Hello daw. Inolympian mo ah. Okay lang Mikey. Okay, Drew. Ito na naman siya. Galing. Makeable na naman sa kanya yan. Okay, 1 point. Plus 1 pala yan if ever. Okay, Mikey. To go up and down for bogey. Okay lang. Buti makapal. Okay lang, Mikey. Okay, Doy. From just outside. To go up and down also for his bogey.
Nice, Doy.
Okay.
Nice.
So ako birdie and 4 points. Sino 3?
Mikey saan pa?
Si Mikey yata 3. Tapos ikaw 2. 2 plus 1 if ever. Tapos si Doy 1.
Kulang. Stop. Kulang.
Lakas din. Ah, 2 plus 1? Ayun, kumabay. Bogey. Uy! Must make Mikey. Para pag na-shoot ko yung akin, panalo tayo sa butas. Kung masushoot ko man. Hina, Mikey. Ano binigay mo? Ha?
Kaliwa to.
Ano binigay mo, Jong?
Oh.
Okay, hole number 9. Nakuha pala namin. Ayaw nyo lang kami bigyan ng mulligan dito eh. Ganda, Drew, Doy. Drew. Kung sino-sino. Lahat tinawag ko na. Nice shot. Lagpas na sa boundary mo yan ah. Okay, nakuha pala namin. Kasi nag-tie si Mikey at saka si Doy. Tapos I was able to par. Stop turning. Pero parang... Kaso magulong lang dyan. Ayun, buti sumabit. Stop turning! Kick right. 4! Ay, pumasok. Sa GUR sa DOS.
Nice shot. Perfection.
Uy, nakapulot pa ng isa. Huwag kang papas.
Yun, pasok. Lalabas pa eh.
Hole naman talaga ito.
Ayun, lumabas pa.
Okay, second shot. Course management lang.
Shot.
Bite. Magulong talaga. Magulong na. Okay, unfortunately, I went in the bunker. Mga 30 yards. Try to clean.
Kaliwa nga.
Oo, nasa loob na eh. Okay, Mikey, putting for par. Medyo malayo. Tapos si Drew, ang 3 points. Putting for par. Yan. Tapos si Doy, putting for 2 points. And plus 1. Lakas, Mikey! Ang lakas! So, 3 to. Okay na, Drew? Lakas. Sa Olympics. Okay. I have this putt to win.
Yari. Yari.
Okay, we were able to have that hole. That was a clutch putt. So, okay, start of the second 9. That was a clutch putt. Pero to avoid going 3 down lang yun. So we are still 2 down. Then sa Olympics, we were able to gain points at least So they're currently 21. We are at 9. So kick right. Nako, kick right mo please. Kick right niya. Ayun na yun. Patong sa bunker sa kanan. Sa 18. Eh, binawi naman.
Ayan ang hole in one. Uy, short.
Go! Go!
Baon mo. Baon mo.
Wag sa bunker. Okay.
Nice. Kanan. Okay, ang sakto lang, oh.
Thank you, Drew, for buti na lang, nag-change club ako. Nag-club up. I have that putt for birdie. Doy. Na pumasok sa kabilang butas. Bunker. Okay, Mikey and Drew to go up and down both for par. Ganda, Mikey. Tama na. Nice shot, Mikey. Okay, nice shot. Nice shot. So, Andrew, potentially 5 points. Okay. Okay, Doy, to go up and down for bogey. Huwag lang ma-hole out. Bunker ulit. Ah, hindi. Okay.
Nice.
So,
2 pa rin yata si Drew, no? Ah, si Doy pala, sorry, 2. So 3 ka. Ah, 4 ka, 3 ako.
Uy, may na.
Mali dito. No? Naka 2 points pa, 23. Ito si Mikey for 1 point. 1 point. Okay. 23-10. This one, partner. Sorry. Biglang lumis yung putt ko eh. Okay, hole number 11. Nababa namin. 1 down na lang kami. Pero Olympics kami kailangan umabol. It's 23-10. Okay, ganda ng draw. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker.
kick left. Oh no.
Kick right na naman.
Oh no.
Uy, naku. Ay, ako. Ay!
Oh, ay, dumire-diretso. Yikes. Parang
Ganda rin. Beauty. Nice shot, Drew. Ito, pinagpalit na naman ako na ito. Parang ganun na nga. 1 down. 1 down kami pero sa Olympics kami tambak. Yan, ganda ng cut. Sakto. Perfect. Nice shot.
Kick right. 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 Wow!
Okay, kaliwa lang. 3 line. Pero I think it's GUR. Mikey. Second shot. Around 100. Ilan ba to? 30? To the flag. Angat mo. Angat mo. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Angat. Ay! Ganun din. Parang si Doy. Buti na safe si Doy. Tapos ako. Ito. I'm left with 105 yards to the flag. Pero better short than long kasi talaga dito.
Uy, kaliwa.
Ay!
Kumanan.
Naman. Anong hinangin? Okay, Drew. This is his second shot. Inside 100 yards. Ganda. Below the hole pa. Nice shot, Drew! Grabe! Birdie na naman! Mikey, from the bunker. Around 50 yards. Galing! Okay, Olympian. Okay, okay na yan. I'm in the bunker. 12 yards to the flag. So tira mga 6. Sobrang no green to work with. Si Doy potentially for 5 points. This is to go up and down for par. Ganda yan, leave it short. Ganda.
Go! Bitin.
Okay, Mikey potentially for 5 points. Ang hina, Mikey. Okay, Mikey for 4 points. Okay, Doy for 3 points. Ano? Okay, Drew 2 points plus 1 to go 26 points. Lakas ng loob talaga yun. Good putt, brother. 2 up na rin kayo. Alright, hole number 12 against the wind. It's playing on 145 yards to the flag, hitting a 9-iron.
Ganda, Doy. Come on.
Ganda.
Nice shot. Sit down. Be humble.
Oo nga, be humble.
Bro!
Wag na. Huwag mo na i-drop, please.
Over mo.
Oh no.
Okay lang, kaya tayo.
Bunker ba? Umover? Umover naman na.
Wow.
Ganda. Nice shot. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker.
Tama tayo doon.
Labas mo.
Yun.
Yay! Nakinig.
Kaliwa. Kumakanan, no? Makakan eh. Bunker, no?
Ay, ewan ko kung nakita yung video. Went inside the bunker din. Ang tigas. Hindi, tigas nung ano eh. Tigas na nung binagsakan eh. Hirap ng tira ni Mikey. Ako din, ang hirap. 20 yards to the flag. Left to right.
Ang namba. Bad kick pa, oh. Bad kick pa.
Hindi naman yun yung gustong gawin.
Lumipa pa doon.
Oo. Hindi ko alam yung gusto kong gawin. Bahala, buti na lang. Good break. Tumama sa harap. Tumama sa lip. Okay, Drew. 4 points plus 1. Galing sa bunker din nga pala to. Tapos si Doy, 3 plus 1 for birdie. Ako 2 plus 1 sandy par, if ever. Malina. Mahina. Okay, Doy, to go 3 up. 3 up, 3 up. Alright, tambak na naman. 26. No movement sa Olympics. Pero sa stroke play, they were able to win that hole na naman. So we are now back to 3 down. May Mercy Mulligan na ulit. Ganda. Bunker yata ah.
Parang aabot ka. Ay, hindi.
Ay, pulley. Ganda, perfect na. Oo nga, laki ng right. Okay lang, GUR. Nasa GUR, nasa GUR.
Okay yan, safe yan. Nice shot.
Left with 174 yards to the flag. Pin is yan, behind those leaves. So hopefully it's not in play, hitting an 8-iron.
Yun. Kick right. Right.
Tawid naman.
Kick naman.
Pero tawid naman yan.
Tawid yun, tawid.
Okay, to go up and down potentially for birdie. 14 yards. Ganda ng tira ni Drew. That is his birdie putt.
Stop, 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 stop.
Hindi, talaga walang babagsakan. Pabulusok talaga. Doy, up and down. Mas malayo pa siya. Okay, come on Luigi. For birdie, 8 paces. Tapos si Doy ang 3, si Mikey ang 2, si Drew ang 1+1 for birdie.
Verde. Verde. Tamang-tama. Yung tamang balo yun doon, no?
Sobrang
Oh.
5 points. Thank you. Oops. Hina pa rin. Okay lang, brother. 4 par and 3 points. 2 for 2 points. Ayun, malayo. Okay, Drew. 2 fours. To half the hole. To half low pala. Thank you very much. I made that putt. At least hindi sobrang tambak sa Olympics. Tapos 2, may plus ka dito, Mikey. Ganda.
Mga drive, Doy. Nice shot.
Palitan na talaga ng LS yan. Nice shot.
Nice throw.
Ganda, gitnang gitna. Bryson DeChandru. Yun na yung bago mong pangalan, si Bryson DeChandru.
Wow.
Ayan, bumalik na yung fade.
Mikey.
Nice shot.
Right. Yon. Nice shot.
Oh, wala 3. Okay lang. Ang laki.
Woo! Ay, kumanan.
Wala ko sinabi.
Need to punch out. Dito lang. Mga 80. Ate, 4 ah.
4. Kick right. Stop.
Okay, third shot. Left with 170 yards to the flag. Need to go over those trees. Yan, nandyan yung pin. Right? Tucked. Dyan sa may bunker. So hitting it iron.
Behind. Go.
Bunker pa ata.
Hindi.
Chunk na chunk. Okay, what a terrible third shot. Left with 50 yards. Tirang mga 30 lang, mabilis to. Left to right to Noel, ano?
Nabibigay.
Okay, 28 yards. Another terrible shot. Right to left pa rin, ano?
Stop.
Pass. Okay, Doy for... Ano? For par? For bow? For par. Nagpas. Naku ka. Pasok! Okay, so I have this putt for bogey. For 4 points. Si Mikey pala 4. Ako ang 3. Si Doy 2. 2 and ano ka? For par. Okay. Alam mo kung kuha na naman nila. Si Drew is putting for birdie. Come on, 4 points. Go! 10 bits. Doy for par and 2 points.
Bird. Nice bird.
2 points na naman. Okay, we are back to 3 down. Grabe, ang galing. 4 birdies na si Drew this round. Pero okay lang, brother. No pressure. Enjoy lang. Tapos sa Olympics, grabe, kinakarni kami ni Mr. Cortez eh. Balikan na nga muna sa Riviera. Mga 1 week lang. Kanan lang.
Alam mo naman, ang layo ng blue at white dito.
Wow! Grabe! Bullet!
Ando na yun.
Grabe.
Kung sakaling matalo kami ngayon, next round, we can't tie.
Oo,
It's we must win talaga.
I shot my D.
Good shot, brother. Ganda.
Yung building A1.
Ganda. Bryson DeChandru talaga. Bryson DeChandru nga eh. Hey Drew, what a monster drive. 145 yards to the flag. Ganda na lang palo mo ngayon, Drew. Dikit. Likod lang. Good shot, brother.
Sumobra ata yung...
Baka back of the green.
Oo nga eh.
Hey, Mikey, around that distance also, 145. This is his third shot to go up and down for potentially birdie. Angat mo. Lagpas yan. Patong yan. Okay, okay. Okay, mukhang patong naman si Andrew. Ay, si Andrew, si Mikey. Okay, ako naman, left with 140 yards to go up and down potentially for eagle. Ganun din.
Kanan. Kanan. Bye!
Mabait naman yata. Sana. Wag lang gumulong. Sana. Mikey for birdie and 5 points. Tapos kami dalawa ni Drew for eagle. Ganda, Mikey. Maganda. 6 points. Sayang. Okay, 1 point na yan. Okay, Mikey for par and 1 point. So si Doy putting for 4 and for par. Drew for 3 pala to. So plus 2, so 5. Ako if ever potentially 2 plus 2. Si Mikey 1. Ganda. Nice spot, Doy. Galing. Ah! 31. Must make ako. I need to eagle this also. Ante mo. Isang bola lang. Isang bola lang. Okay. Firm. Nice eagle, brother. Grabe, 4 na birdie, isang eagle.
Oh! Eagle din.
Grabe ngayon lang yun.
Dalawang eagle?
Nice bro.
To win.
Oh, yan, to win, Mikey. Yun, okay. 2 down. Nasaan, Mikey? Hole number 16. Playing 100 yards. Grabe yung laban na yan. 2 eagles. Tapos, eagles and the par. It's to win. Doy! Ayan na. Ay, nag-draw. Uy, chunky. Nice one, Mikey! Nice one, Mikey. Abot yan. Ay, hindi pala. Bunker pa. Okay. Pating paring birdie kami para si Drew. Ni Doy. Ayan. Si Andrew. Just off the green. Ganda. Galing naman. Ay, nako.
Nice, Mikey.
Oh, yun. Okay, Mikey. Potentially for 5 points. To go up and down for Doy. Okay. 1 point. So ako 4 plus 1. Si Doy 3 plus 1. Tapos 2 si Drew. 1 si Mikey. Doy to win the match. And for Olympics. 3 plus 1. Kuha. Good round. Good match. Ay, hindi pa pala tapos yung match, sorry. Kasi kung... 2. Ay, hindi, 3 na pala. Tapos na, 3 ah. 3 and 2 na. Oo, tapos na. 43rd. Good par. Hindi pa na ko yung 1 point. Okay, hole 17. We already lost the match. So for our next round, we need to win. We can't tie. We need to win. Kasi even if we tie, panalo na sa 3.5 to 2.5 sila kami ngayon. Ganda. Ay, nag-draw lang na konti. 8 siguro. Teka, ano ba yung yardage? Uy, laki ng sobra. Nako, delix pa yata. Tama na. Shoot.
Pero maliwa. Yun.
Okay, Drew, still at even par. So, sana mapar niya to. And, even mapar din ang if ever ang 18. He's playing his best round so far here in Navy. Okay. I have 30 yards to the flag. Ano to, Noel? Kaliwa?
Go. Ay, sarap.
Laki lang ng binay.
Bike na.
Pinabite ko naman talaga pero hindi ko in-expect na magbabite talaga ng ganun. Okay. Mikey for 4 points. Everyone spotting for par. Ako 3 points. Si Drew for 2. Doy for 1. Lakas. Mabilis. Mabilis talaga yung speed dun. Okay. Par mo! Sayang! Birdie. At least kung mapar mo 18, best round. PR.
Oo, PR.
No?
Kung mapark yung 18.
Par or better.
Hirap eh.
Kaya yan. Doy for 1 point. Okay, hole 18. No movement sa Olympics. And wala na pala, talo na pala kami. Nice shot.
Draw. Okay lang.
4.
Sakto dun ah.
Personal goal na lang to break 80 after that very terrible start. So hitting hybrid. Tsaka syempre sana mabawasan naman yung Olympics.
Draw! Oh, chingin na yan. Hindi na.
Doy. 35 yards to the flag. Ganda yata yan. Galing. Nice shot. Yan, maganda rin. Kick right, please. Sige, Olympics mo na lang. Okay lang yan. Okay. Fortunate na bunker, pero possibility na lang for Olympics. 30 yards. Right to left ba yan?
Hindi, diretso lang.
Malakas. Bite.
Lakas naman yan.
Layo naman ng sandy pa. Layo. Pero at least bogey na yan. Sayang. Okay, at least break 80. After that very terrible start. Drew for his PR. Potentially 5 points pa. Huwag mo lang i-shoot. Huwag mo lang i-5 points. Okay, 1. PR! PR! Sige, legit, pare, pat mo. Teka, ayusin mo.
Baka ma 2 points.
Okay. Doy. Mikey, 4-5. Ulit, please.
Please.
Lakas.
Hindi.
Okay lang. Pwede na. Okay, 13 paces right to left. Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan, Noel? Minus 2. 10 paces. Mabilis. Okay.
bali!
Buti na lang ang points. Nawala yung mga 1 point ni Mikey kasi wala. Parang yun lang yung na 1 point na 1 pot ni Mikey, yung 5.
Yun lang, 5 points lang.
No?
Oo, hindi, pati yung...
Ay, hindi, may isa pala siyang 1, oo.
Isa pa.
Okay, must win. Must win ang aming last round.
Ay, next year, January.
Okay, thank you very much for watching. So, hopefully, you watch. Hopefully, mangyayari yung Game 7, pero feeling namin magiging super busy kami ni Mikey. Laki na. Libo-libo na yung talo natin, brother. Baka may libo na. 30... Hindi mo pa pala nakuha.